Okay, you can file this one under You Heard It Here first. Besides the fact that Frankie Knuckles is going to be coming to town on the 4th of July, you could also check him out with Little Louis Vega. I believe it's the first time ever that the two of them have played in Chicago. That's happening in October. Remember, you heard it here first. We're coming back with the second half of that very show next. The godfather of house music, Frankie Knuckles. Besides yesterday, it's the first time in 15 years he's been on the radio in the city of Chicago. Stick around. You're going to want to get your tape decks ready for this one. Also, we got more tickets to give away. It's Sonic Boom here on Q101. Hey, join house music. It all began with him. Whether you're Derek Carter, whether you're Diz, Heather, etc., etc., this is the guy that paved the road for them all. He's living back in Chicago, part of the Def Mix crew. Of course, you can check him out on the 4th of July. He's playing at House of Blues. It's his annual Frankie Knuckles Part 2 here on Sonic Boom Q101.
just don't feel right. I think I feel It would be so nice if you and I I can feel it all over me, from head to toe, you and me. Spend the night with me. I wanna squeeze you, tease you, please you, do all the things that you want me to do. Let me hold you tight all through the night, baby. Let me treat you right. Let me be the one, be the one. All through the night, through the night. Ain't nobody like baby. Oh, baby.
so much pride to bring you that set. That is the godfather of house music. He's playing again in Chicago. It's his annual, the 4th of July at the House of Blues. Tickets are available through Ticketmaster or at the HOB box office. It's one of so many things you can do on the 4th of July. Coming back with Andre Solaris in a bit. Stick around. Thank you, Frankie, so much. We love you. It is Q101 Sonic Boom. Hey, what's up? Join me